Hola, my name is Kevin Lash. I traveled all the way here from Maui, Hawaii, where I lived for 15 years. I was referred by a friend who works at the clinic and suggested I come here. I was looking to have dental work done abroad because I was looking at $30,000 to $40,000 in the US, and I came here instead. And I met Dr. Irma, who did a consultation initially, a model of what my mouth, my teeth could look like, and it was fantastic. It shattered my expectations, and we did 2 oral surgeries. I came to the clinic on 10 different occasions to get all the work done, all the cementing. It was a lot of decay, a lot of crowns, a couple bridges, and some veneers to help everything match and come together nicely. About $40,000 worth of work in the US for $10,000 here, and a little over a month to get it all done and take my time with the healing process. I had a really good experience, and I recommend this place. Every time I came for a visit, I had service from Central Cancun for drivers that were fantastic, and the office staff was great. I did a lot of follow-up with Dr. Yuli, who was my favorite dentist, and BD was always there to answer questions and help me out whenever I needed anything. So I would highly recommend Cancun Dental Services.